So you guys, we have a very expensive pair of Adidas Bapes on the stool today, as you guys can see. So they're not like horribly dirty at all, but they do have just regular wear and tear. So we're gonna show you guys how to take care of them. Now, only part we're gonna actually use the bristle brush on is gonna be the boost area. For everything else, we're gonna use a sponge. So all we have to do is the best stuff on earth, BB Kicks. You're gonna take it, you're gonna take the brush, you're gonna wet it with a little bit of water, then you're gonna use one little itty bitty squirt. Now, as you're scrubbing, you guys see how it's starting to get a little whiter and it's sudding. When you see the suds, then you know it's working. So all you gotta do is go right over it, just like this. Of course, we're gonna swing it around, hit the whole boost unit. Now, after we're done doing this, the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna take our sponge right here. Now, it's kind of like a microfiber sponge in a way. So what we're gonna do with this is put the cleaners directly to it. Now, it's kind of like doing the dishes at home. You just get it real sudsy, and then you clean over the top fabric. Now, it's not gonna hurt anything. It's not gonna fade anything because it's a coconut oil-based cleaner, you guys. And we know how expensive these Bapes are right here. They're not cheap at all. So this is definitely something that you guys are gonna wanna use. And remember, it doesn't have to be an exclusive pair of shoes. It could be a regular pair of NMDs or some Ultra Boosts or Nikes or Vans, whatever you like to wear. And then after you go over it, you guys are gonna take one of these. If you don't have the EB Kicks microfiber towel, you can use any microfiber towel, but this one, it grips the material of shoes a little bit different than a random towel. So now, as I'm wiping, you guys can see how it's taking the unnecessary moisture right off. And look how easy this is to do. So you see how it doesn't hurt anything, it keeps everything at its original form. Simple and easy. Now, of course, put these bad boys. Actually, one more thing I want to add. Now, even though the boost looks good, what we want to do is just use our EB Quick White Touch just to even make it whiter. Look at that. So you guys, we call this the icing on the cake. That's the nickname of this right here, the white guy. We call it the white guy. So we're gonna apply the white guy all over his shoes, just in the areas where it's needed, because boost material kind of tends to yellow sometimes. These don't have no yellowing, but why not? Now, if this gets on the other materials, you take the sponge and it'll come right off. You just go over the little area that you accidentally got it on and it'll come right up. And then we're just gonna wipe it in. Voila. Go ahead and put this bad boy right next to this one for me. All right, you guys, so you see how his situation was an ashy one. Just regular, you know, wear and tear. And then now, you guys see his situation, from ashy to classy. That's how we do it. Now you guys can see the dirt on the stool, so it didn't just evaporate in thin air. It's your boy, Classic Kenny, and I'm out.